Another plus 4 video. All right. Gonna look at one of my favorites from the 64, ported over or remade on the plus 4, and it's called Lode Runner. So what we're gonna do is mount this disk image using a backbit cartridge instead of a disk drive. And we're going to play it using the Commodore joystick. Got a mess of wires here. Let me straighten that out there. Oh, there we go. Okay, whichever way you're facing when you press the button, you'll actually burn a hole in the floor that the enemy can fall in. You can also fall in the hole too. You can do both sides, left or right. And eventually the hole fills itself in, so if you do it too far out in advance, it won't be there for the guy to fall in. You can also jump at them yourself, like that. And then once they fall in the hole, you can actually jump over them. Okay, got all the dots there. I can use the escape ladder to go out. I won't play a lot of time on this game, but I just wanted to show it off. It's pretty good. Very faithful looking to the Commodore version, Commodore 64 version, I should say. Oh, he got me. All right, I'll just end it right there. So this is Lode Runner for the Commodore Plus 4. All right, until next time.